Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. From this story, you will learn how to use simple machines to do work with less effort. Let's get started. During midterm holidays, Uncle Bheem is building a tree house for Ballu and Neelu in the farm. First, Bheem made a ladder up to the spot where the house will be built. The planks were cut in required sizes and were ready for starting the construction. "Are we going to carry the planks to the top through the ladder?" asked the children. "No, we will use a pulley. It is an easier and faster method," replied Bheem. He set up a pulley on a strong branch, high up on the tree. He looped the rope through the pulley and tied it to a wooden plank. "Ready for some magic," exclaimed Bheem as he pulled down on the other end of the rope. With each pull, the wooden plank went higher and finally reached the spot of house construction. Bheem's friend untied the plank and placed it across the branches. Bheem tied the second plank to the rope. This time, the children too pulled along with Bheem. One by one, all the wooden planks were moved to the top of the tree. The children learned that simple machines help us do the work easily and with less force. That brings us to the end of this story. You have learned. Simple machines help you do work with less force. The principle of simple machines is used in our daily life. Pulleys help move load from one place to another with less effort. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.